Cambridge Primary Science. 4th grade. Activity book. Living Things and Environments. Exercise 2.1 Amazing Birds. In this exercise, you will think about how birds' bodies help them in their environment. Match the bird to the way its body helps it to live in its environment. The first one has been done for you. Webbed feet for swimming. Lots of fat under the eland skin to keep body warm. Long beak for waste brood getting nectar out of plants. Long flat beak that allows it to shovel small fish from mud and water. Skull shape allows eyes to see in front and below. Exercise 2.2 A habitat for snails. In this exercise, you will look at some information about snails that learners have collected. Some learners were asked to count snails and note where they found them. Here are their results. 1. Place we looked. On the branch of a tree. Under a stone. In a bush. Under a log. Number of snails found in 1 minute. Where were the most snails found? 4. 2. Why were many snails found here? 3. Where were the fewest snails found? 4. Why was this? Exercise 2.3 Animals in local habitats. In this exercise, you will look at a bar chart showing the numbers of dragonflies in a habitat. Dragonflies need a habitat which includes a pond. They like warm weather, and this is when they will breed. A class of learners counted dragonflies every Wednesday for 6 weeks. Number of dragonflies: 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. 1. What happened to the numbers of dragonflies over the 6 weeks? 2. What do you think the weather was like in the first 2 weeks? 3. Why might the numbers have changed in week 4? Exercise 2.4 Identification keys. In this exercise, you will complete a key about birds. Place the birds shown here in the key. Duck. Yes. It is a. Eagle. Yes. Does it have a long neck? Swan. Does this bird swim in the water? No. It is a. Yes. Does it eat fish? Stork. No. Does it eat insects? Insect. Swift. Yes. It is a. No. It is a. No. It is a. Exercise 2.5. Identifying invertebrates. In this exercise, you complete a key for invertebrates. Butterfly. Dragonfly. Centipede. Bee. Ladybird. Look at the pictures of invertebrates. Write the names of the invertebrates on the key. Does it have wings? Yes. Does it have spots? Yes. Does it have 1 pair of wings? No. Yes. It is a. It is a. Yes. It is a. No. Does it have patterned wings? Yes. It is a. No. It is a. No. Does it have many legs? Worm. No. It is a. Exercise 2.6 How we affect the environment. In this exercise, you will think about things that we do to damage the environment. Look at the picture. Circle the ways in which we have a bad effect on the environment. Write down how we could reduce these bad effects. Number of animals. Exercise 2.7 Wonderful water. In this exercise, you will be thinking about animals that live in fresh water. A class of learners studied a stream in their town. They observed animals at 2 different places along the stream. Animals in the stream near the forest. Animals in the stream near the factory. 765,432. 1. Shrimp. Snail. Animal. Beetle tadpole. Number of animals. 7,654,321. Shrimp. Snail. Beetle tadpole. Animal. Where were most and fewest animals found? 2. Which animal was the most common in the stream near the factory? 3. Fish eat all these animals. Why were no fish found near the factory? 4. What could be done to clean up the stream? Exercise 2.8 Recycling can save the earth. In this exercise, you will think about recycling. Sort these objects by drawing a line from each object to the correct bin. The first one has been done for you. Daily News. Plus. TV7. 1.5v4, C. I. Paper only. Plastic bottles only. Glass. Card. Cells. Food waste. 9 volts pp9. Language review. This exercise checks that you understand the scientific words used in this unit. 1. Match each word to its meaning. The first one has been done for you. Habitat. Surroundings. 2. Environment. Making the environment dirty. Identification key. Using something again. Pollution. Recycling. A way of sorting animals. Where an animal lives. Fill in the gaps in these sentences. Use these words. Animals are. If an animal's food adapted environment to help them to live in their habitats. Changes, it may change the way it behaves. Animals need a habitat where there is